progress tracking that actually motivates. But how can you be sure you're making progress when the changes you want, like weight loss or muscle gain, take weeks or even months to show up? The answer is to track process metrics, not just outcomes. Most people focus on results they can't fully control, like the number on the scale or how their body looks. This creates a motivation gap when progress stalls. Instead, track actions entirely within your control, like the number of workouts completed, total active minutes each week, consistency streaks, or even your energy and mood after exercise. A study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that people who tracked these process metrics stuck with their routines 78% longer than those focused solely on outcomes. Create a simple system, a calendar, a habit tracker app, or even a notebook that lets you see your progress at a glance. Research from the University of Chicago shows that visible progress tracking activates the brain's reward centers, reinforcing positive behavior. There's a reason it feels so satisfying to check off a completed workout. It's a psychological boost that keeps you going, even when motivation is low. The recovery mindset, bouncing back from breaks. Now, let's talk about one more crucial mindset shift, the recovery mindset, or how you bounce back after missing a workout. Missing workouts isn't failure, it's a normal, inevitable part of life. A groundbreaking study in the Psychology of Sport and Exercise Journal found that people who saw missed workouts as temporary setbacks instead of total failure were 60% more likely to return to their routines. The all-or-nothing mindset is the silent killer of fitness progress. If you feel guilty after skipping a session and give up entirely, you're falling into this trap. But research shows that the average person who successfully maintains a long-term exercise habit misses almost 30 workouts per year. The key is what you do next. Implement the never miss twice rule. One missed workout is just a rest day, but 2 in a row becomes a pattern. Instead of beating yourself up, reframe the situation. Remind yourself, I'm building consistency over time, with occasional rest days. Your ability to recover quickly from setbacks is actually more important than never stumbling at all. When life gets in the way, as it inevitably will, focus on how fast you can get back on track. Let's bring all these principles together into a simple, actionable plan. First, start with the minimum effective dose, just 2 short workouts per week. Second, shift your mindset from chasing outcomes to building a fitness identity. Third, stack your new workout habit onto a routine you already do every day. Fourth, plan for obstacles with implementation intentions so you know exactly what to do when life throws you a curveball. Fifth, prioritize enjoyment by choosing activities you genuinely look forward to. Sixth, track your process metrics to see ongoing progress and stay motivated. And finally, adopt the recovery mindset. Remember, missing a workout is just a temporary setback, not a sign of failure. If you're wondering what your own biggest challenge is, whether it's finding time or staying motivated, take a moment to reflect. Which of these strategies do you think will make the biggest difference in your fitness journey? Are there any psychological hacks or systems that have helped you stick with your routine? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below, and let's support each other in building sustainable, enjoyable fitness habits. If you found these insights helpful, take a second to hit the like button. It helps more people discover this evidence-based approach. For more science-backed fitness strategies without the hype or false promises, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, we'll be debunking some of the most common fitness myths, so you can stop wasting time on approaches that don't work. Remember, sustainable progress always beats short-term intensity. Build your routine around psychology, not just willpower, and watch your fitness journey transform, one small, enjoyable step at a time. And if you want to transform your health with evidence-based strategies, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.